words are hard. So we flew our entire team to the birthplace of the English language to talk about how you should and shouldn't use words in your emails.
Billy Shakespeare invented over 1,700 words, and you don't need to use a single one in your cold emails.
Words like circumstantial, amazement, invulnerable, and obsequiously.
Long, uncommon, and complex words make your email harder to scan at a glance.
Stick to simple, well-known words with few syllables. Clear is kind.
Buzzwords, meanwhile, have become so overused that they are almost meaningless.
Words like supercharge, innovative, cutting edge, and industry leading
cause your recipient to roll their eyes and immediately tune out.
When you use cliches in emails, it triggers the mental spam filter, which tells them your email isn't important.
I hope this finds you well. I know you're busy, so I'll keep this short. I look forward to hearing from you. And sorry for bugging you.
Add no value to your email. Your recipients have seen them too many times to care.
The people that you're reaching out to are busy. They do not have the time to read the entirety of every email that you send.
When you send a long message, it's overwhelming and feels like way too much work to read.
Shorter your email is, the more likely they'll see and understand your entire message.
Light paragraphs broken out with lots of white space can make your email seem less intimidating than a big block of text.
Combine this with short, punchy sentences so your emails can be easily scanned.
And that means cut the commas, cut the ands, break each thought into its own sentence. Nobody wants to be talked at. They want to be talked with.
So instead of writing overly confident, assumptive, or informative emails,
aim to be conversational, curious, and tentative in your writing.
That doesn't mean being subservient or weak. Just don't pretend that you know more about their business than they do.
See, you don't need to be Shakespeare to write great cold emails.
And now, to subscribe or not to subscribe? That's the question.